All right. Do we want to move to the next segment? All
Move to
right.
the next one.
Brett, you've got our star and dog. I think you're going to do the dog first, but we are excited to look at your star because it is a company that we just at the start of this year introduced into coverage. So Canadian retailer at a time where many retail stocks are getting kicked hard, and this company had really strong results that came out and upped their guidance kind of in terms of same store sales for the year. And that stock that you're going to talk about is up about 50% versus HIMS, which had a big drop today.
Yeah, like Ryan was saying, our dog of the week is Hims and Hers Health, HIMS on the New York Stock Exchange, HIMS. So the company operates a telehealth platform that connects consumers to licensed professionals. The company offers a curated range of prescriptions and non-prescription products on a subscription basis with a focus on personalized healthcare. That will come into factor in a minute. HIMS has really been a retail favorite, the stock, and I've seen it everywhere online, effectively any stock board. You've seen HIMS likely, and it's really just generally had a good return over the past few years. But it's been coupled, obviously, with a high degree of volatility during that time as well. But today, it fell 31.6% at the time recording to $43.92. Clearly, a massive pullback, even for a generally volatile stock. So, why did the pullback occur? So that's due to Novo Nordisk, symbol NVO on the New York Stock Exchange as well. The creator of the GLP-1 drug Wegovy abruptly ended its agreement to provide the weight loss drug to HIMS. The deal allowed HIMS to sell Wegovy branded drugs on its telehealth platform. The deal was struck just this April, so only a couple months ago, not long after the GLP-1 drug was removed from the drug shortage list by the FDA, which removed HIMS and others' ability for generic compounders to produce the semaglutide, which is what Wegovy is. So Novo Nordisk ended the agreement due to concerns about knockoff versions of its drug. The release claims, at least, HIMS has failed to adhere to the law which prohibits the mass sales of compounded drugs under the false guise of personalization, putting the patient's safety at risk. Further, the company is concerned about counterfeit drugs being manufactured in unauthorized foreign suppliers in China. So there's that personalized coming in. That's really has been a big selling point of HIMS is this personalized treatment on a telehealth platform. And that's something which is being directly really attacked here from Novo Nordisk, at least in their concerns. So the degree of pullback is really due to that fact that GLP-1 craze has just been a major boon for HIMS. The company has been using the popular weight loss drug as a growth driver for its other products as well, as HIMS can cross-sell its other products to the weight loss subscribers, increasing the revenue generated on a per subscriber basis. So if you go on the HIMS platform to get the weight loss drug, you might buy some of their other products. That's all it is, really. And that's really what they've been marketing as well. They actually had a Super Bowl ad directly targeting obesity in the US and had actually controversy around that specific ad. But it is something that they have really had a marketing push because it's been such a key product on their platform. And it actually ironically promoted in this ad, which I have up a screenshot of it, that is formulated in the US, which if those concerns are true, that's obviously not the case anymore, but we'll see how that comes out. Overall, the affordable weight loss drug has really been the biggest selling point to consumers and really was propped up the stock over the past couple of years. So just as an example, in the last quarter, the average revenue per user grew by $29 to $84 year over year, which the company actually directly attributed to subscriber uptake of its GLP-1 offering alongside product mix as well, though. So GLP-1 really, it's just been the driver of the company as a whole. HIMS CEO just very recently, during this recording, issued a statement on the contract's end and saying they refuse to be strong-armed by any pharmaceutical companies' anti-competitive demand that infringe on the independent decision-making of its providers and limited patients' choice. So obviously they're pushing back. They clearly don't agree. That's no surprise to anyone, but the agreement is gone. So even if the allegations are true, the agreement is gone and that will hurt HIMS regardless. And regardless of really what the outcome is of here is HIMS is our dog of the week and it is had a tough day.